Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I'll talk about Intel Arc A770 or A750 GPUs. So friend, Intel Arc Alchemist are on the market for 6 weeks now, but unlike GeForce RTX 40 or Radeon RX 7000 GPUs which receive water blocks almost instantly, water cooling companies were so eager to launch cooling products for Arc GPUs, and nearly months later we finally get an official block from Slovenian company EK. And friend, the first thing we did was to check on the latest pricing for Arc GPUs. A brief look at graphical price comparison tool tells that the cheapest Arc A770 can now be found for €420 as this week, while A750 bounced between €333 to €320. And friend, it is worth noting the both GPUs are now on a slow decline since their launch, and that is definitely something worth keeping in mind because EK's water block is to ship by mid-December. And friend, this water block now costs €247.97, so exactly 75% of the Arc A750 limited edition's current value. And friend, this is the full kit with the backplate, and there is no option to buy it separately. For EK, this is just another water block of similar design, so the production cost has not changed. But for gamers who consider water cooling their Arc GPUs, this might be too much, and they could have simply bought something faster and equipped with battery cooling at the same price. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.